So we have this lawnmower that my dad gave me. It's like a push Honda mower. Anyways, we're supposed to change the oil last summer and then we didn't. So our lawn, let me show you, is first of all disgusting and patchy and sad. We laid down furniture. No, we didn't. We laid down fertilizer and it I don't know, it killed it. We don't know what we're doing clearly. So, oh, he's eating, yum. Anyways, so I called Home Depot. Turns out they have the special oil. So in order for our lawn mower to go, we need to change the oil. So we're gonna go do that. Where's Ira? Oh, look what Ira's done. Fun. Okay, bye. Okay, we're at Home Depot. Got Ira on my back. Gonna get Sage out and we're gonna go get some oil. So we got some oil. Okay, we're going to go change the oil, but first I'm going to use my Starbucks gift card and get some coffee. Poor Ira is super sad about being in his car seat. You know, it's kind of how it's been the whole 10 months of his life. Very sad about the car seat. Got my oil. Here you go. Honda Power Oil, okay, for this lovely little guy here. So now we're gonna change the oil, aren't we? Hi. So I do not have one of those little, I don't know, catcher things. So I brought my coconut macaroon holder and put some tinfoil in it. I don't know what I'm doing. Cool, right? Okay, then I'm just gonna dump my oil into it. See, wrong side, I don't know. Okay, so here's the area. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Man, I don't know how to undo this thing. Oh, there we go. Okay. Boys are eating grass. That's really gross and black. Okay, well, here we go. Hopefully I don't spill it everywhere. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Okay. Just dumping it out. Oh, it's so black. Ba-ba-da-ba, ba-ba-da, da-da-da-da-da, da. Yeah. Okay, almost done. Oh, it's so black. Okay. Hi, Ira. Oh, apparently you just dumped the whole thing in. Oh, gotta take off the lid here. Okay, here we go. Dump, 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 dump. Dump, 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 dump. Dumping, dumping, dumping the oil and 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 a little bit more maybe? Okay. Ira is sneaking in to the chicken thing again. Ira, what do you think you're doing, mister? Look at this kid. What do you think you're doing? Huh? Ha! Did you break in? Well, now we gotta see if the lawnmower will start. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay, there they are. Oh man. Which way is it? Sage does not like that. Had to switch babies because Sage was scared. changed the oil and I trimmed back some of this lovely yard of ours. But my word, I think there's something wrong with our lawnmower. So we'll see if Lauren can YouTube it and figure it out. I'm tired and sweaty and haven't showered in days, so yep. But hey, we changed the oil. It was really easy.